Can a simple fruit really fix years of high blood pressure? Today, we're going to reveal how a certain fruit can help manage high blood pressure and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. The fruit we're talking about is the humble beetroot. Beetroots, often just called beets, are packed with essential nutrients and have been shown to have a significant impact on blood pressure. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Studies have shown that consuming beetroot juice can lower blood pressure within hours. The nitrates in beets help reduce the stiffness of blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow through your arteries and reducing the workload on your heart. This effect can be particularly beneficial for those with high blood pressure, a condition that increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. To incorporate beets into your diet, you can start with beetroot juice. Drinking a glass of fresh beetroot juice daily can help you maintain healthy blood pressure levels. You can make beetroot juice at home using a juicer. Simply wash and peel a few beets, then juice them with a little water. You can add an apple or carrot for added sweetness and flavor. If you're not a fan of juice, you can try adding beets to your salads. Raw beets can be grated or thinly sliced and added to a mixed green salad for a crunchy, nutritious boost. Beets pair well with ingredients like goat cheese, walnuts, and balsamic vinegar, making for a delicious and heart-healthy salad. Roasted beets are another tasty option. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness of beets and makes them tender and flavorful. Simply wash and peel the beets, cut them into wedges, toss with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 30 minutes. Roasted beets can be eaten on their own or added to grain bowls and salads. For a more substantial dish, try making a beetroot soup, also known as borscht. This traditional Eastern European soup is made with beets, cabbage, potatoes, and a variety of other vegetables. It's hearty, nutritious, and perfect for a cold day. You can find many recipes online that guide you through the process of making this delicious soup. Beetroot smoothies are another great way to incorporate this powerful fruit into your diet. Blend fresh or cooked beets with fruits like bananas, berries, and apples, along with a handful of spinach and a splash of almond milk or yogurt. This makes for a nutrient-packed breakfast or snack that can help support healthy blood pressure levels. If you prefer taking supplements, beetroot powder is available in many health stores. Beetroot powder is made from dehydrated beets and can be mixed into water, smoothies, or juices. It provides the same benefits as fresh beets, but in a more convenient form. Pickled beets are another option. You can buy them pre-made or make your own at home. Pickling preserves the beets and adds a tangy flavor. Enjoy pickled beets as a side dish or add them to sandwiches and salads for a zesty kick. In addition to their blood pressure lowering benefits, beets are also rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. Beets are low in calories and high in water content, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. While beets are generally safe for most people, it's important to note that they can cause your urine and stools to turn red or pink, a condition known as beeturia. This is harmless and temporary, but can be surprising if you're not expecting it. If you have a history of kidney stones, you should also be cautious with beet consumption, as beets are high in oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation. It's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. By including beets in your daily routine, you can take a proactive step towards managing high blood pressure naturally. Remember to combine this dietary change with other healthy lifestyle practices such as regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, reducing salt intake, and avoiding excessive alcohol consumption. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions.